Hi everyone, welcome to the third week of quarter four. So just like last week, I went ahead and did a video to explain what we're going to be doing for this week. So the first thing you're going to do once you get on your course would be to go down and find week three. Now, week three actually it will look like this. It'll say show more under week two. This might actually end up disappearing. But if you don't see week three, click on show more and just kind of scroll down there. So as you can see, it's actually supposed to start tomorrow, but I had to set it up this way so I could do this video. And then we are finished the following Monday. So again, you've got one full week from noon on Tuesday to noon on Monday to complete this. I probably will start posting these on Monday just so I don't have to worry about that at noon on Tuesdays. Anyway, once you are here, the same thing as last week, rather than go through these pieces, I want you to start here at the start. Again, this gives you a playlist that gives you an easy peasy way to follow through what we're going to be doing. So you start at the very beginning, which is week three. This is what your assignment is. There are a couple different things that you're going to be doing, and then under here the video that I'm creating now will actually be posted. So hopefully you'll actually click on that first. And for every week, as long as this comes back that you guys are actually watching them, I will have a video down here. So as soon as you finish reading through what you're going to be doing for the week and watching this video, do me a favor and just do a quick poll here. They will not be held against you. If you don't watch them, that's fine. I just want to know if doing these videos are helpful for you or if they're just completely wasting my time, because I do spend a good amount of time trying to get these lessons ready for you and very user-friendly. Okay, so I created a Padlet video about Padlet because we've had a lot of different issues with the Padlet. One is a lot of you guys are posting things that look like this. I can't see it. I can't click on it. I have no access to it. I can't see it. So something like this has happened a whole lot, or if it's just a gray screen and it says a document or something, but I can't see it, it's not going to work. So make sure that you see like the first picture, maybe the first slide of your presentation or the beginning of your video. But if it looks like this, especially if it's in red, it's not going to be something that's accessible to me. The other issue that I have is your names right here cannot be anonymous. I need all of your comments to have your name on it, and this video about Padlet will show you how to make sure that that works. Also, there's a lot of really cool features on Padlet that I want you guys to play around with this week. So please watch that first and use some of those tools that are under here to create your Padlet for this week. All right, so once you're done with that, click on the forward there, and this is a wellness wheel review, and this is on a program called ThingLink. All of the pieces of the wellness wheel, once you click on them, tell you what they are, and then there's a little video. So I do want you to read about them, then watch this little video about what each part of the wellness wheel is. It's a bit of a review. Sixth graders go through this pretty in detail in the mental health unit. However, one of the most important things that I think that we really need to stress in health is that all of these pieces are really, really interconnected. One affects the other. If you don't sleep at nighttime, you come to school and you're grouchy and you literally can't learn. Your information does not stay in your long-term memory if you stay awake all night. You have to have sleep to grow. You have to have sleep to get smarter, to be able to retain information. And because of that, that can affect these other pieces like social. You don't sleep at night, you come to school and you snap at your best friend and get into a fight. You don't sleep at night, you come to school and you can't even work out or run in PE, so your body is suffering. Intellectually, you don't sleep at night, again, you can't retain information, you're not going to learn as well. So all of these pieces are really interconnected, and that's kind of the point of thinking about the wellness wheel as a wheel. So you're going to go through here, read about them, jot down a couple notes, write down one or two ways that you either do really well in the wellness wheel or things that you're lacking or things that fit in. I'm going to pause this, excuse me. So you don't have to turn that in, the notes on this. That's really for your own use and for the next two parts of the assignment. So the next part of the assignment is check for understanding. This is called a Microsoft Forms, and you'll go in here and just fill out all these answers. If it says enter your answer, you're just going to click on it and start to type. If it has spots like this, it's a selection type thing. So that's the only thing that's selection for this particular one is what period you're in. Make sure that you do that. Also, this is a tool that if this ever pops up on your screen, it's called an immersive reader. It's kind of nice because if you click on it, it'll read the text to you. So in a lot of websites where you have to read articles, it's sometimes nice to have it read to you as you read along, just because I think it's sometimes a little bit easier to understand. So feel free to use that if you'd like to. Once you are finished, at the end, you have to click on submit. So this is graded. This is the thing that you're going to actually do to show me that you understand what the wellness wheel is. And then the next source is and the last thing you have to do for this week is the week 3 journal prompt. So you're going to respond to the journal prompt by posting a picture or a meme or a GIF or anything you like for the question, which areas of wellness has been affected the most by the coronavirus? It could be good or bad. And then write an explanation about how it's been affected. I did put an example in here. So you can also use I think it's memegenerator.com and create your own meme, which could be kind of fun. But this is what mine was. And I just found this. Again, if you watch the Padlet video, you can see how to find these really easily within the Padlet. So it's very, very nice and easy, and an explanation. So there's my example. I do expect some kind of a picture. It could be of yourself. It could be a meme. It could be a little GIF like this, whatever. It shows something about your health, and then give me some kind of an explanation right here. All right. Any questions? Please feel free to email me or to send a note on It's Learning, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.